minutes to. This is 1 o'clock. The minute hand is pointing straight up at the 12, telling us we finish o'clock, and the hour hand at the 1, so it's 1 o'clock. Look at the minute hand. It has gone round 7 numbers since 1 o'clock. We know the minute hand takes 5 minutes to go from one number to the next. So to go 7 numbers, it takes 7 times 5, which is 35 minutes. So this is 35 minutes past 1. 35 minutes since it was 1 o'clock. There is another way to look at this time. It needs to go 5 more numbers until it gets to the top. Going 5 numbers takes 5 times 5, which is 25 minutes. When the minute hand reaches the top, it will be 2 o'clock. So in an hour, it's gone from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. So we could call this time 25 minutes to 2. 25 minutes time, it will be 2 o'clock. Either way of giving the time is correct. But most people would give this time as 25 minutes to 2, rather than 35 minutes past 1. The minute hand has taken 40 minutes since the last o'clock. We can see from the hour hand that the last o'clock was 1 o'clock. So this is 40 minutes past 1. We can see there are 20 minutes until the next o'clock. If the last was 1 o'clock, the next is 2 o'clock. The hour hand we can see here is moving towards the 2. So this is 20 minutes to 2, or some people just say 22 to. Once again, either way of giving the time is correct. We can work on the fact that it's taken 40 minutes since 1, or that it will take 20 minutes to get to 2. If you practice regularly, you will know the minutes without having to do any calculations at all. So you really ought to do this. This is 5 minutes past, 10 minutes past, 15 minutes past, which is called quarter past, 20 minutes past, 25 minutes past, 30 minutes past, which is called half past. When we get to here, you could call it 35 minutes past, or 25 minutes to. For here, 40 minutes past, or 20 minutes to. For here, it's 45 minutes past, or 15 minutes to, and some people call that quarter to. For here, we've got 50 minutes past, or 10 minutes to, and for here, it's 55 minutes past, or 5 minutes to. You really should learn and practice this to the point where you just know it without having to think at all. What times are shown on the following clocks? Pause the video, and then when you restart, I'll go through the answers. If we look at this first one, we can see we're coming up to 7. So the last o'clock was 6, and we've gone round 10 numbers. So that's 50 minutes past 6, or since we're coming up towards 7, 10 minutes to 7. If we look at this time, we can see we're between 3 and 4. Since it was 3 o'clock, we've gone around 9 numbers. That's 45 minutes. So it's 45 minutes past 3, or 15 minutes to 4, also known as quarter to 4. This one is between 2 and 3. We've gone round 7 numbers. That's 35 minutes since it was 2. Or in 25 minutes time, it will be 3. This one is between 5 and 6. We've gone round 11 numbers, so that's 55 minutes since it was 5. Or, in 5 minutes' time, it will be 6 o'clock.